Welcome to another video with www.balconywaterproofing.co.za. Today we're in Rainburg/Bryanston looking at a balcony that's leaking on the circumference of the floor. This is due to a circumferential crack running around the circumference of the balcony where movement always takes place. The membrane running underneath these floor tiles runs vertically up the wall, and this has delaminated with the skirting tile, funneling water running down the wall vertically in behind the waterproofing. The question is, how do we fix this? Well, the first thing you've got to do is remove the skirting tile, and it's a very precarious job. You've got to be careful not to damage the waterproofing at the lower level. And as you can see here, the waterproofing is delaminated off the wall and it's moist behind that. So how do we fix this? We cut a groove into the wall onto the brick, and we put a new waterproofing from the floor into that groove and a new skirting tile. As I said, this is a specialist job, so please reach out and connect with us for a quotation to fix your balcony. Make it a great day, and follow us on further videos.